Introducing the new Platatac Bullock Echo version 4 of their pack. This pack was originally developed back in the mid-2000s in response to demand from the 3rd Squadron of SASR. There was an Echo pack that had been developed prior to that, but it needed a few different variations. So the inspiration for this one comes from 3rd Squadron, who this was developed in collaboration with, which is where the name comes from, because their logo was that of a bullock. The Bullock Echo V4 is the newest addition to Platatac's small assault combat sustainment pack range. Being slightly larger than its predecessor, it offers more room to carry your mission-specific gear. Made from 500 denier nylon, the Bullock Echo version 4 is double stitched and bar tacked on all major seams, giving it added durability even in the most extreme conditions. This updated version of the pack boasts a wide array of features, including a PELS field, larger external pockets, improved adjustable padded shoulder straps, and an expandable, adjustable, integral helmet cargo carrier. Furthermore, the V4 can be worn with the padded shoulder straps, which actually come with the pack, or it can be attached to an armour carrier via the MOLLE on the back of the pack. Other features include 6x4 PELS field on the main compartment for attachment of extra pouches, an extra zippered pocket on the front of the cargo carrier with internal Siloom loops, an internal bladder sleeve that holds up to a 3-litre bladder, like for example the Platatac insertion bladder. There are also 2 internal zippered pockets, as well as a removable internal zippered pocket for small items. There are 2 side pockets to fit a Platatac 1-litre flask or something like a Nalgene bottle, a 150 by 75mm loop field for IFF, ANF and nameplates, a 5x3 PELS field with Velcro loop on the cargo cradle, and a 1-inch web handle, making it easier to carry the pack or hang it in vehicles. There's also a web tape daisy chain on each side, a hydration tube and radio antenna routing port towards the top of the pack, and drainage eyelets on the main compartments, side pocket and front pocket. So the V4 is available in a range of finish options, including the Multicam, the Multicam Tropic and the Multicam Black, as well as a range of legacy options and legacy finishes such as Tiger Stripe, Rhodesian and so on. All the information including sizing, finishing, colours and dimensions is all available on the Platatac website, so if you want more information or to order the pack, simply go to www.platatac.com.